Feeling sluggish? You are what you breathe. Boost Oxygen is an all-natural respiratory support product for aerobic recovery, rejuvenation, and performance. It is 95% pure supplemental and concentrated oxygen that's over 4.5 times the amount of oxygen we normally breathe in the air alone. Imagine for a moment you're traveling in the Rockies. You're at altitude where there's less oxygen, so functioning at your peak level can be a challenge. But feeling fatigued and winded due to lack of oxygen isn't only a problem for people visiting the mountains, helping pro athletes. They've been using supplemental oxygen for decades to boost their training, recovery, and performance stats, helping active seniors living their best life, helping swimmers breathe better in chlorinated pool facilities, helping weightlifters straining for those extra reps, helping anyone looking for all-natural respiratory support, people with a pounding head, fans of a big night out and their mornings after, anyone experiencing poor air quality environments, long-distance drivers looking for a non-caffeinated pick-me-up, students looking to become more mentally alert, those wanting to beat the summer heat, starting to work out again, or cope with jet lag and face mask fatigue. Supplemental oxygen has always been beneficial for so many people. Boost Oxygen's innovation makes it accessible for everyone. If you're not crushing it when you ought to, we say suck it up. Have you got oxygen? Boost Oxygen. Help is here. Is lack of oxygen costing you the game? Boost Oxygen gives you the edge you need to score that goal. Shoot that hoop. Cross the finish line first. Oxygen is the most powerful and potent driving force of life, necessary for survival. It is the essential ingredient for the health and performance of every single cell in the human body. The air we breathe contains only 21% oxygen gas. The other 78% of it is nitrogen gas. Maybe you're thinking, I get enough of a boost from my nutrition and hydration intake, but what about your oxygenation? Did you know oxygen supplementation can be the most immediate and effective fuel source for aerobic recovery, rejuvenation, and performance? Supplemental oxygen is also 100% legal in training and competition. Boost Oxygen is an all-natural respiratory support product, and as it is not a medical device, you don't need a prescription for it. Boost Oxygen is 95% pure aviator's breathing oxygen compressed into portable, super light, super convenient aluminum canisters and actuated with a patented mask. Whether you're looking to break the world record for the 800-meter or simply break the internet, Boost Oxygen makes supplemental oxygen readily accessible. Boost Oxygen. Help is here. Boost Oxygen. Help is here. Available in 3 user-friendly sizes: large, medium, pocket size. Our primary product is unscented, but we do offer a range of appealing aromatherapy scents: useful menthol eucalyptus, energetic peppermint, blissful pink grapefruit, rosemary for memory. To use, place the mask over the mouth under the nose. Press the trigger and inhale deeply. Hold for a second or two, then exhale. Repeat 3 to 5 times, or as desired. Boost Oxygen. 95% pure oxygen to go. Help is here.